Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Hope you're all well. We are now a 30,000 subscriber channel. Very, very exciting. And thank you for those that shared the moment with me. It happened live on Extra. In between the shows, we had the screen on blown up on the in the Extra channel behind the scenes, and we passed the 30,000 together. Next step, 40,000 on the way to that silver play button at 100,000. Fantastic. What a great day. Now, also, we need to talk about NVIDIA, SoundHound, and Funware. We are at a critical moment. I don't know if everyone's fully aware, but we are at a critical moment of a much, much bigger push upwards or rejection. There it is. There is the resistance lines just there. As you can see, we are setting a trend. As you can see, we were setting higher highs, but we've just been rejected off the 75.2. Now, what does that mean? It's remember, I'm only in the S&P, so that's all S&P action. So it's very clear to see what's going on. If it's just if you've got a portfolio with lots of other positions, it's hard to measure. But this is a very critical moment for NVIDIA, the S&P, the overall market. We sold off due to the incidents happening in Japan. We talked about that. We're not going to go over that now. We've done a full video on that. The rotation, the rejection, all of these things is the Fed going late to the party to reduce rates and all the rest of it. But I just put a video out a few moments ago saying and suggesting and believing that NVIDIA can go to $200, and I believe it can in the not too distant future either. And it's become my fastest ever growing video of all time on the channel. We keep setting these new all-time highs. It's really exciting. But anyway, as you can see, we hit this point every day at this time as we go into the closing bell. You can see here in the afternoon we hit this. This was 74.2, and then we went to 75.2, and we've just gone through. We slightly beat it. It was 70. I can't quite get my finger on it. 75. It was 75.3.5 for a moment. Doesn't really show it clearly. So we've broken through the higher highs each time. Now, why that's important is because if we keep hitting these points and getting rejected, it's going to bring us down. And yes, there are those that are saying we're going to have a 60% crash. Well, that sells videos. That's completely untrue. But if we keep hitting the resistance, that ceiling, and not pushing through 3 times in a row, which we've just hit, but we did break it, only just. We could get rejected, and the market could sell off again until it tries to break it again, which ultimately it will, of course. So we just broke through, even though we're touching that rejection line. Technically, we broke through, but it was such a small amount. It's not really been felt yet. The good news is we've got an hour to go, and and then we come into Friday. If we can hold this for the next half an hour, then the chances go up greatly for tomorrow, a push higher, and then we break through, and then we're going to start another leg up again. So let's hope that we can hold this. It's now 6 minutes past 2 in the afternoon. We've got about 54 minutes left of regular session, and then we go into the after hours. So we'll see what happens. Very exciting. So there we go. Where are we going to end up? We'll find out. Let's read all the comments. For some reason, oh no, I'm getting all the comments now. Vaz, 30,000. Thank you very much indeed for your comments earlier. It's before the show started, so I can't share it on the screen. John Major, Jeffrey Diamond. The recent panic selling was a gift to my portfolio. Absolutely. It was for any investor. It wasn't for those who are traders. Well, it's great for trading as well. But those who are fearful, don't understand what they've got, it's a bad time. But for those who do understand what they've got, it's a great time. I got some little mark just there. Let me get rid of that. That was annoying me. Little white spot there. A little bit of speck of dust. Yeah, I got rid of it now. Yeah, absolutely. I totally agree. Well, that's why I'm in margin. That's why I bought more. Just looking on my mirror screen now to see if I got it. Did I get it? There you go. That's better. Not completely, though. I'll wash that out later. So anyway, let's read the comments. Zachariah Adams, how are you? Nvidia go to 200 in the end of the year. I don't know about the end of the year. No, I'm talking about a 12 months out, not just a couple of months. No. Good evening, Martin. Good evening, Crag. How are you, Crag? It's your earnings tonight. You asked for as a member and did a $5 super chat. You are asked for funware. And your funware earnings is in the extra channel right at the end of the show. Hi, Crag. Hi, Crag. Congratulations. Thank you so much indeed. 30,000. Yeah, it was a special moment. We shared it live on the extra channel. We tried to feature each of the special moments and turn them into special videos. So later on, look out for the extra channel. You can go back and see it. I'll do it as a members video. The moment it happened, it was quite cool. Hi, Crag. Who is doing fun earnings, Martin, you or Sensei? Me, I'm doing both. Sensei isn't available as much these days. Since he got married, I don't think he's got so much time. But I'm covering both earnings. I did 2 this morning. This morning I did Plug on the extra channel. I did Krispy Kreme on the main channel. Tonight I'm doing Soundhound on the main channel. I'm doing Funware on the extra channel. And yeah, I'm covering them all, doing 4 earnings a day at the moment. Good afternoon all, GoDB, evening all, a breakthrough on sell-off Friday, that would be nice indeed. Expecting some panic selling tomorrow. You are? I'm not. Hey, good, GoDB and Malk, you may be, but I am not. I am not expecting that at all. We've already had the overdramatics. We've already had Meet Kevin try to say we're going down 60% overnight. We're done with that. It sells videos, but it's not what we do here on our channel. We prefer to report the facts, not just sensationalism to sell videos, which only benefit the YouTuber. Here we benefit the investor. At least I try to. Okay, let's have a look. This is where we are right now. You can see we're up. If you look at the S&P today, so if we go to VU is up 2.26. Well, obviously, when you're in margin, with the amount of margin I've got, you can double that. That's why I'm up 4.82%. All right, and I also bought the dip, so I've got a lot more at lower prices, so the whole thing moves much quicker, obviously. So that's how that works. Now then, we have got, in a few moments, we have got Funware and we have got Soundhound. 2 earnings tonight. We're covering both. It's going to be a very busy evening. Let me share with you on the extra channel for Crag, we have Funware. That will go live right at the end of this show immediately because Funware is going earlier, obviously. Anna and John Major, our new members, thank you to you. And then I will send everybody to the extra channel for this. I'll put everybody in. What will I do? If I end this show, I will send everyone to the extra channel. That's right. I will send everyone to the extra channel. Then the extra channel will send everyone to Funware or Soundhound. That's right. That's what we're going to do. And here on the main channel, we got Soundhound. There you go. And there's already 17 people waiting. I expect we could have 1,000 people in tonight. This could be our biggest earnings of all time. Looking at my numbers. Very, very exciting evening ahead. So we don't want to mess it up, do we? 30,000. Thank you, Vaz. It was a special moment when it happened. We pushed through our resistance again. This is very, very bullish. Very, very bullish. We're pushing through it again. So I like this. I like this. It's not a surprise, really. Tilly. I'm not sure what Tilly means. warrior coat. Yes, the handbrake has been applied. The handbrake has been applied to Sensei. Yeah, he used to do all the earnings. Then he got married. That's right. Should I invest if everybody else sells there? Should I invest if everybody else sells there? What do you mean, sells there? I'm not sure I understand what you mean. Do you want to repeat that? Can you show the heat map with the green carpet, especially for coins? Oh, my dear. Oh, my dear, oh, dear. Oh, my days. Oh, my days. Oh, my days. Yes, yes, yes. I know what you want to see. I know exactly what you want to see, and I'm very happy to share it. So let me share with you this. Look at the state of that. That is crypto. This is one of the reasons why I'm not really anymore a fan of crypto. Because when one moves, they kind of all move. Now, you might say, well, stocks do that. No, they don't. They do not do that. There is very big differences today in the stock market. There are stocks that are up, stocks that are down. I guess the general trend is up, yeah. But with crypto, it really is follow the leader. It really is follow the leader. If the crypto market is bullish and everything's up, everything goes up together. Suddenly, everything has value all of a sudden. It's why, for me, if you're going to own Bitcoin, remember I've made 126%. I'm done with it now. I'm happy. I'd rather own the S&P, and that's it now. I've got enough invested to make $1 million, so I don't ever need to buy again. I'm just going to keep working and paying down margin. That's it. So if you wanna own crypto, just pick maybe XRP, Bitcoin, and be done with it. In my opinion, and go and put all your money into that and just buy it on the dips, so lowering your averages. If you spread it around all over the place, it's harder to lower your averages. Whereas if you've got all your money in Bitcoin and XRP, you've got some real power to lower your margins. I just think they all go up together. They just follow each other. Anyway, it's nice to see it though, because I'm very happy for those that invest in it. But it's not for me. That's the Sunday show. That's with Sensei. Anyway, you want to look at the heat map. Very happy to share that with you. That's also looking good today. But you'll see a very different story on the heat map. Yes, it's all green today, but if you look at the numbers, it's nowhere near as close as it is. If you look at crypto today, I'm looking across the board, you're seeing 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, most things between 8 and 12%. Yes, XRP's up 27, SUI is up 21, but nearly everything is between 8 and 11, 12. It's kind of a 4% range. Well, if you look here on, just between Microsoft and Nvidia is 5%. There are a few things that are down. There's a few things that are at 10%. Berkshire Hathaway is up, 0.92. You can see they are all up because we're having a green day, but there's big differences. I'll make it a bit clearer for you. Let's just zoom in. 2, 1, 1, 1, negative 1.2, 2, 3, 3. These are all quite close. They're all in the same sector, though. Let's move into a different sector. There you go. PFE is down 0.47. Lilly is up 10%, so that's a much bigger swing. J&J 1, so there's a 9% difference there. See what I mean? Coca-Cola, MCO 185, CME is 0.03. You do get a correlation. However, you do get stocks with much bigger spreads as well. Of course, you get that on crypto, but I just think the markets do correlate. There's no doubt about it. But I think the stock market has far more independent reasons to buy each individual stock. But anyway, let's go back to the main portfolio, to the Face ID. There we go. Let's read the comments. What have we got here? Good evening, Lucas A. Positive Energy, James 007. Yay. How are you? It's a miracle. Tilray. Tilray. You want to look at Tilray? Okay. Whoa. Tilray just popped 6%, 186. Mind you, again, it looks great when you see that, but I got to just stop back and go, it's not really anything at all. We should be above $2 now, and we just sank down to go back up again. So we're kind of back where we were a week ago. So it looks great, but only if you're a scalp trader and you bought this morning and sold today. If you bought last week, you're just where you were before. And if you had it for a month, you're where you were before. If you got it 3 months, you're where you were before. Year to date, you're back to where you were before. So it's only good if you're a scalp trader. Anyway, thanks for bringing it to my attention. Hi all RW, how you doing? I wanted to say, should I buy stocks when everyone is afraid to sell? I wanted to say, should I buy stocks when everyone is afraid to sell? Afraid to sell? I can't really answer that. I think, Pepe, are you a member of the channel? If you are, perhaps you might want to call into the show and have a conversation. No, you're not a member. Become a member of the channel, call in, and we'll discuss your personal situation. I think it requires a more in-depth conversation. It's hard to answer when I don't know your understanding of the stock, what you're looking at, what your temperament is on the stock, and so on. I don't want to give you a blanket answer, because a blanket answer is not going to help you. It's good to sell videos and sound dramatic, but it's not going to help you. I think it's better if you call in and we have a conversation. Anyway, other people might answer in the comments for you. Smash the like. Hey MSK, Palo Alto. This level is interesting. 92 NIS. Warrior Coat. Thanks MSK. I got 1,000 shares at 179. Not best buy, but got in. Anything under 2 is fine. Anything under 2 is fine. Is VU available to buy in the UK? No, it's not. I'm waiting for Robinhood to add it to their accounts. Not yet. 30,000. Vaz, thank you so much indeed. Yes, we passed 30,000. It was a special moment. Thank you for mentioning it. Trump just said that should be legal. Look at Tilray now. Oh, is that what he said? Have you got evidence of that? Rallo 1, have you got evidence of Donald Trump saying that? Have you got any, Rallo 1, you'll remember, you can send links into YouTube. Have you got any evidence to show Donald Trump said that? Let me have a quick look. Donald Trump. Let me see if I can find it. Let me see if I've got anything. Although Trump indicate this. Let's have a look. Tools, anytime, past 24 hours. 9. Let's have a look. Pepe, how you doing? Pepe, if you become a member, it's the same, nearly the same price. You can then call in 19 hours ago, 24 hours ago, 8 hours ago. Oh, hang on a minute. Oh, this is what's going on. Okay, this is why it's up. Not Donald Trump. There's no real evidence of that other than what he... I mean, there's no press on it. That's what I mean. Sam, how are you, mate? Good to have you here. Test the jam. Love it. Someone put in on Tilray review. Warrior Coat. I'm not sure I understand what you mean. Can we get Soundhound and earnings at close? Yes. Soundhound, we are covering the Soundhound earnings at close. We're also covering the funware on the extra channel. So let me get this to you now. Anna has just become a member on the extra channel. Anna, thank you very much indeed. Being a member on the extra channel gives you all the perks and benefits of the extra channel. Thank you, Anna. Consider being a member here for all the major perks and benefits. Oh, you are a member here. Have I already given you all your benefits, Anna? Have I already given you all your benefits? Hey, Martin, when do you think NVIDIA will become $200 stock? Within 12 months. Do you think SoundHound is a buy? Well, we're going to find out in a minute. I'm going to cover in detail. Excited for SoundHound? Yes. Can we talk about live earnings, SoundHound, AI at closing? Yes, we're covering it. We are covering the SoundHound earnings. Yeah, we're covering all of that in just half an hour. Press conference just ended 10 minutes ago. Rallo 1. MSK. What did he say? I need some evidence. Did Donald Trump say anything? If someone could tell me. How to become a member on the extra channel. What are the benefits? The purpose of being a member on the extra channel, it's only 99 cents from 99 cents. The purpose of it is the extra channel runs 12 hours a day for the members to talk to each other, get support behind the scenes. This is the extra channel live right now. Tonight we're covering oh, thank you, mate.
Pepe 287 donated €1.19 through a super chat.
Thank you, mate. Appreciate that. The purpose of the extra channel membership is it's a safe place for members to talk without spammers, bots, people trying to sell stuff, talk lies, make up stuff. So we put a paywall in the way. That way it just basically provides the service 12 hours a day for the members to talk to, go in between the shows. So when we finish this show in a moment, we're going to go to the extra channel. Now, anyone can watch. You can watch all day long for free. You can listen in for free. That's fine. But if you want to talk in the chat, we have a paywall of 99 cents minimum. That way it stops the idiots coming in and just ruining it, because the investors want to share information amongst each other, what's going on. They want to be able to let me know, come back live, Tilray's just done this, Donald Trump said this, I can come back live. It's a live 12-hour, like a terminal, Bloomberg terminal. It's live 12 hours a day. Everyone's talking in it, sharing information. That's why we put a membership on it, so it stops idiots and makes it a quality service. That's why we do that. Whereas the membership on the main channel, that comes with, 20, 30 benefits, loads of things. And we do it for 99 cents because nearly everybody who's a member on this channel then becomes a member on the extra. So we make it just 99 cents. There are a few upgraded benefits where you get discounts in the shop and stuff like that. But and some people wish to support the channel in a greater way, and we appreciate those. But you can become a member for 99 cents. It just stops all the idiots for ruining it. Okay, this is my overall position now, 99,931. My all-time high is 107,000. Thank you, Paul. We are a 30,000 subscriber channel now. Okay, you also see behind the scenes when I'm setting up trades with the CEOs and stuff like that. Anyway, sorry, not trades, interviews. Right, let's talk about Tilray for a minute. We've got time. I can't confirm the thing about Donald Trump. There isn't any evidence of that yet. I can only report what's in press, not just make stuff up, unfortunately. Okay, Tilray is having a big rally now. Just found your channel really for the videos. Keep doing your thing. Thank you very much indeed. Sound covered here. SoundHound is here on the main channel. You can see that because every video and every post I put everywhere tells you so. Here is the upcoming live streams. SoundHound, you can see it here. This is the event we're covering tonight. Right, let me do the Tilray quickly, and then we're going to go into SoundHound and Funware. This is the SoundHound. We've already got lots of people waiting now. Here's the SoundHound event. People are queuing up. Let me have a look, refresh the screen. I think we've got 13 waiting already. Yep, 13 waiting, 7 likes. It's already starting to ramp up. We've got polls running tonight. We've got all sorts of stuff we're going to include into tonight's broadcast. So stick with me. Does he only trade small stocks? No, I own the S&P. I own the biggest stocks in the world. 100,000 and 30,000. What a day. Congratulations. Oh, till rate. Right. Till rate. Got to cover it now. It's moving very quickly. I wish someone could send me what Donald Trump said, but I don't have that. So I'm not going to report that. I will mention he may have said something, but that's it. TLRY. Remember, we don't do sensationalism on this channel. We only do facts. Whether I get less views or not, it's not important. 25. Okay. Thank you, Olivia, thank you. Right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Tilray. All of this sector now is moving very quickly to the close of the main session today. What is going on? Shall we talk about it? There's lots to talk about, but we haven't got much time, but we're going to do our best in the very limited time that we do have. So first of all, someone just told me a few moments ago in a live presentation, Donald Trump gave his support for this sector. I haven't got evidence of that. I can't find anything in press on that yet, so I can't confirm it. But what I can confirm is this. We've just got this out. Delaware officials will start accepting applications ahead of schedule this month. This is just out literally a few moments ago. Delaware officials will be accepting applications for the first state's adult use business licenses ahead of the schedule this month. The Office of the Commissioner announced on Wednesday that it will begin processing applications for retailers, cultivators, manufacturers, and testing facilities. Okay, this is great. Now, that has just come out, and apparently Donald Trump has also shown support for this. Now, this is an interesting one because it's something that Kamala Harris is very pro, and now Donald Trump has jumped in on it. So now you've got both parties trying to push this through to get votes. So when we thought it was likely before, now it's increasingly likely because both want to be the ones to put it through. We know it's going to go through. We know it's going to be a vote winner for the upcoming election. Now both parties seem to be wanting to use it for it as well. So this is quite exciting stuff to see this. So where do we see it going? Well, we've done many videos and many reviews on Tilray and this whole sector. We see this going right now to $4 to $5 at the sniff of rescheduling and $40 thereon within the next 12 months as business ramps up and they can reschedule and they can do advertisements on TV, get tax discounts and so on and so forth. It's a $40 stock. Now then, I've reviewed all of the major sector. You may want to check in if you go into my YouTube channel. In fact, I'll put below in the links of this video, I'll put the links to my full analysis. I actually detected that SNDL was probably the better buy. At least it was when I reviewed it. But you might disagree with that. But Tilray is the one that we're focusing on right here and right now. Thank you, Jamrock. We're having a big day today. I've just hit 30,000 subscribers, and the rate of my subscribers is just accelerating again, which is nice. So we do have some really bullish news here. On top of the good news, we broke through our resistance tonight. Every day for the last 4 days, we keep hitting resistance and selling off into the close after what happened with the SOM rule and the yen and everything else. I went all in on margin. Meet Kevin said the markets are going to crash 60%. It's never done that in history, but there you go. He knows best. It's not going to do that. And if it did, I wouldn't be using margin and I wouldn't be sharing it with you on the screen, would I? Because my whole reputation would be on the line. There's my real money, my real margin. I'm all in. And I see a 3x of the S&P by the end of the decade. So what we've got now is we are in an uptrend. We are breaking through the resistance over the last 4 days. Everything was oversold. We've got Nvidia going to 200. And when that happens, and we got that earnings coming out in a few days' time, which we'll cover live, when all of the S&P is going up and everything else, we know that everything else will move with it. It's just the way it goes. Look at crypto today. You try to find the asset which is down. If you look very, very closely, top left, you'll see AAVE is the only one that we can see here on the top 100 crypto. Everything else is up. If we look at the heat map today, just about everything is up. We are in a bull market. We are not going down 60%. We are going to get rate cuts exactly as predicted, which I said 18 months ago. And Tilray, and I said 18 months ago, the rates would be cut in September, the summer. That's what I actually said. And I even said 0.5%, which is what's going to happen. But Tilray now is breaking up, and it's likely to go a lot higher very, very soon. So it's a good one to buy. But for me, of course, I'm not pumping and dumping anything. I only own the S&P. I'm here to provide information, unbiased, impartial, fair, honest, not about selling videos, about providing a service. And that's why 98% of our viewers on a regular show are members, higher than any other channel on YouTube TV. Any other channel, including Mr. Beast and anybody else. You can see it in the chat right now. So there we go. Some good news for Tilray. We are covering SoundHound earnings tonight, and we are on the main channel, and we're covering Funware earnings on the extra channel. You might want to check that out. By the time this video comes out, the earnings would have happened, so you'll want to go back and look at the replays or the upgraded, edited versions of that, because I'm making this in a live broadcast just before the earnings comes out. Click above my head, down below in the description for all the links. Over here and over here, I'll put all the links you need. There we go.
Stacey Bailey donated $2 through a super chat. Links for YouTube.
Links for YouTube. Hang on a minute. Let's add this. We might have something to add to the video from one of my researchers, Stacey Bailey. Links for YouTube. Here we go. Watch live. What is this? But this is the whole thing. It's 1 hour and 19 minutes. Thank you very much, Stacey, for sharing me that. I will try and find, if anyone knows the precise moment when he talks about it, then great. But I can't scroll through 1 hour and 19 during the making of this video. It looks like we do have some information. I might be able to find it later. If anyone can find at what point in that video he mentions it, the scheduling and so on, I will cover it. But I cannot go through that right now. Anyway, click above my head, down below here, over here, and over here. Join us. A great night ahead. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, Tilray. Tunnel vision. He's locked in, Stacey. No, I saw it. Yes, get the saucepan out. Oh, my God. 112. Oh, bloody hell. All right, 112. Well, why didn't you say so? Why didn't you say so? 112. Oh, 1 hour. Is that 1 hour 12? Yeah, I guess that's 1 hour 12, right? Brilliant. Oh, look at this. We've got the best team. And we got the best team or what? 1 hour 12. Okay. 12, 12, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's have a look. 112.50. Bloody hell, it gets better.
Federal Reserve. Right. Well, look, the Federal Reserve is a very interesting thing. It's sort of gotten it wrong a lot. And
Stacey Bailey donated $2 through a super chat.
He's tending to be a little bit late on things.
112 and 50 seconds.
He gets a little bit too early and a little bit too late. And, you know, that's very largely it's a gut feeling.
He gets a bit too early,
really
a bit too late.
Feeling. And I used to have it out with him. I had it out with him a couple of times very strongly. I fought him very hard. And, you know, we get along fine. We get along fine. But I feel that the president should have at least say in there. Yeah, I feel that strongly. I think that in my case, I made a lot of money. I was very successful. And I think I have a better instinct than, in many cases, people that would be on the Federal Reserve or the chairman. Yeah.
Just finding it.
Yeah.
Harris supports rescheduling marijuana and also says that no one should go to prison for marijuana offense.
Just bear with me. I'll bring it to you in a sec.
Well, as we legalize it, I start to agree a lot more because, you know, you...
Oh, okay, here we go. Here we go. Thank you, Stacey Bailey.
Successful, and I think I have a better instinct than, in many cases, people that would be on the Federal Reserve or the chairman. Yeah.
Okay, got it. Tilray. Thank you, Stacey Bailey. You're the best. You're the best. I love it. TLRY. This is very, very good. Very, very good. Tilray. And 36. These will be huge videos this evening. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We go live now to Donald Trump, who has asked a question directly about the rescheduling, Tilray, and this whole sector. Let's have a listen to what Donald Trump says right now, live on this subject. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You can see the price moving, and we're going to hear what he says right now. Here we go. Listen in. For Tilray, he's just being asked a question.
Well, as we legalize it, I start to agree a lot more because, it's being illegalized all over the country. Florida has something coming up. I'll be making a statement about that fairly soon. But as we legalize it throughout the country, whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, it's awfully hard to have people all over the jails that are in jail right now for something that's legal. So I think, obviously, there's a lot of sentiment to doing that. Yeah, please.
There you go. So that was the moment he asked that question. That was just sent in by one of our members of the channel. Thank you very much indeed. You can see it. I just posted a bit of news a few moments ago about this as well. What's happening in other parts of the country. You might want to check that video out. And my full analysis on the stock, why I see the stock going all the way to $40, $4 in the short term and $40 in the long term. That was just a few moments ago with Donald Trump. So I would suggest you click above my head for all the videos I've just put out. I've just put out the news analysis down here, and I'll post it up here as well. I'll put the news about other parts of the country, and down here I'll put either a playlist of Tilray, and down here I will put the analysis video comparing all of the main in this sector where SNDL actually came out on top, and you can decide what's right for you. Thank you very much, Stacey. That was just sent in. That was really quick. Amazing stuff. That's the power of the family. Fantastic. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. That was great. Stacey Bailey, that is going to be an absolute blowout video. That is cracking news for those investing in the stock. Vaz sent it in as well. I've got everyone sending it in now. Right. Now we need to focus. We've got 20 minutes to go. We have broken through resistance. We're just rejecting a bit now, but that's okay. But this is a very, very big night. Thank you, congratulations. Thank you very much indeed. Yeah, we broke the 30,000 subscribers tonight. It was a very big afternoon, live on the Extra channel. Let me share with you the moment, what's going on. We're blowing up on the channel right now. 23,000 views in the last 48, 2,000 in the last few minutes. Gone nuts. 30,004. Look at that. 46 subscribers in the last hour. It's it really is. Can you do SoundHound earnings tonight, Vaz? Yes, we are doing SoundHound earnings tonight. Thank you so much for your super chat. How could you miss this? I keep getting are you having a laugh or just giving me a super chat to be nice? Because let me tell you, folks, when I do anything, I do it absolutely everywhere. SoundHound earnings is tonight. And so is Funware. It's in the upcoming live streams. There's the upcoming live streams of this show. If you go to the Extra channel, it's in the upcoming live streams. There it is. If you also go to the main channel, again, back, same with Extra as well, you will see videos. I've been promoting the SoundHound earnings. There is the promotion for SoundHound earnings. You can also find it in the shorts. I've been promoting SoundHound earnings all the way through here, somewhere there. There's Funware. There's SoundHound. Look, there's all my shorts. Everywhere, absolutely everywhere. What else? I'm just having some fun with you now. I like poking fun when someone says they don't know what's going on. All right. Then. What about X? Oh, thank you.
Vaz donated £5 through a super chat.
Thank you.
Can you do SoundHound sound earnings tonight?
Yes, we're on it. So on X right now, we have the Funware poll. Will they beat or miss? There is the Funware poll. Go and vote. I'll give you the link right now. There is the link for X. There's the sound. There is the Funware. What about is it a buy, hold, or sell? Then we look at Funware, the video. Then we have SoundHound. Is it a beat, miss, or undecided? 50 votes. It's there on X. We also have, is it a buy, hold, or sell? That's it on X. Can you miss it? How could you miss it? Then, of course, if we go over to my Facebook page and Facebook group, there's Funware, there's SoundHound.
Pokescrow has become a member. How about Rocket Lab E9s today? _Crystal.
Rocket Labs, Pokescrow. We're doing 2 earnings at the moment. We're doing Funware already. If you are a member of the channel, which you are, you could have booked it. All it takes to book an earnings is be a member and a $5 super chat, and you can book it. Crag jumped in first, and Soundtown was booked in already. So that's it. I can't do 3 earnings. I also put it on my Instagram. If you want my Instagram, Soundtown Funware. I've also got contacts at Soundhound and at Funware that I speak to, which is great. I speak to them on Instagram. I shared it there and with their groups. Also, I put it on Threads. So there you go. I put it absolutely everywhere. Anyway, there you go. So let's get ready for all the earnings then. So this is what we're going to do. Danny, can you do SoundHound? Is this a joke or what? What's going on? What's going on? Can you do SoundHound earnings tonight? Is this a joke or what? What's going on?
Danny donated $5 through a super chat. Can you do SoundHound earnings tonight?
Yes.
Smiley face. Smiley face.
Yes. It's going to be our biggest earnings ever. It's going to be bigger than Virgin Galactic. We could have 1,000 people join us live tonight. It's a huge one. Anybody else want to ask me and give me $5 to do SoundHound? Bloody hell. I thought you were being serious until I realized another one came in and I thought, they're having a laugh. They're having a laugh. This is a joke. This is a joke. They're having a laugh. Right. So here we go. My God. I don't know why I put up with this. I don't know why I do it. I don't know why I put up with it. Meet Kevin wouldn't put up with it. He wouldn't answer everyone's questions like this and get totally abused. He wouldn't put up with it. He'd be too busy going, our coupon code expires tomorrow. I know I say that every day, but it expires tomorrow. Bloody hell. I should just do that. Because if I answer questions, I only get myself confused. Right? I might just do that. Sell training programs, right? From now on, my name is Meet Martyn, and all I'm doing is selling training programs. Click here for the coupon code. Bloody hell. This is too much stress. I need to calm down. This is too much stress. I realise now you were joking, but for 5 minutes I thought you were being bloody serious. I thought, what? Does no one have a clue? Right. See, the trouble is with me, I believe everyone. That's my trouble. I got to stop doing that. I've done it all my life. My mum and dad says, you shouldn't believe everybody. I do, though. I'd rather live like that. I live in a bubble. My bubble's good. The bubble of greenness. This is where I live. Right. Did you see we all just found out how to reply on a super chat? No. Can you reply on a super chat? Ooh. Oh, you can reply to a super chat. Hey, hello. Hello. I'm going to reply to super chats then. Oh, look at that. Reply to super chats. Oh, God. This is going to make my life even more complicated. Oh, no. I'm not going to start doing replies on super chats. Okay, from now on, we reply to super chats. We've already got 1,000 things to do. Let's do something else. Bloody hell. Sick of it. Right. This is all going to go up. This is all going to go down the tubes in a minute if I don't focus. Right. First thing we're going to do. Okay. So, okay. We're going to send everybody in a few moments.
Stacey Bailey donated $5 through a super chat. Hey, are we covering SoundHound tonight? I may have missed it.
Can you bugger off? Do you know how bloody... What is going on? I've got more coming in now. How about Sound Down, mate? What the hell is going on? going on? Does anybody want to watch Funware? Oh, God's sake.
Big Boy donated €2
I'm going to grab the whiskey
through a super chat. Can you do SoundCloud tonight, guy?
Yeah, SoundCloud. Yeah, there's no SoundCloud, right? The SoundCloud, all you bloody lot, right? Do you know how difficult this is, running two systems at once and very difficult? I have to focus. If I mess this up, you're going to be going to the wrong places. Things aren't going to load.
PokeScro donated £2 through a super chat. How about Soundhound Mate?
I'm going to get the whiskey. If this continues like this, we're going to do whiskey shots. Oh, man. That's the only way I can focus. I imagine running two shows at once while drunk would be something else, right? Seriously, I've got 10 minutes to go and I need to prepare. Right. Where am I? Okay. Right, let me focus. Customization. We're going to send everybody redirect to the extra channel. What's going on now? Stop messing around. I'm trying to do this. Extra channel. Right. We're going to go there first. Okay. Dear God.
Vaz donated £2 through a super chat. Do South Clown earnings.
South Clown. We're just going to make up words now, are we? We're just going to make up words. That's it. Just make up words. Don't even have any sense to it. Focus. Right. 4. Dear God. Sound, Hound, earnings, and...
Rallo1 donated $2 through a super chat. Rumor is that Soundhound it here tonight?
Yeah.
2?
Yes. You might want to try spelling is here. Yeah. It's going to be the #1 place on planet Earth. Probably 1,000 people watch it, right? Stick that in your pipe and smoke it. For Soundhound earnings and Funware earnings, start here in the extra channel. Okay. Oh my God, this is getting way out of control. If I don't focus, I'm not going to have a clue what I am doing. Okay, for Soundhound earnings and Funware earnings, start here. Right, I'm going to pin that to the top. Pin that to the top. This is where we're going to go on the bell. The moment the bell rings... News just in, brown pound earnings. What is with all this? What is with all the changing of the words? I don't understand. Am I missing something? If you super chat it, Martyn will cover the earnings for you tonight. No, I bloody won't. No, I won't. What is this? Oh, what is going on now? There ain't nothing but I sound. What is this? Okay. Enough already. I just realized I can reply to these comments. Right. Hang on. If I don't get this right, it's going to fall apart. I'm not joking. Okay? So here we go. I'm going to ignore it now from this moment on, because if I don't get this right, it's all going to go tits up in upside down in a barrel or something like that. Okay? Okay. So this is what's going to happen, folks. Please pay attention. In a few moments' time, we're going to end this stream. We're going to go live to the extra channel. Whether you are a Funware investor or both or Soundhound, we're going to go here to the extra channel. I've given you the link in the chat. It'll automatically take you in.
PokeScro donated £2 through a super chat. News just in, brown pound earnings live tonight.
Yeah, that's right. That's happening. Okay, so we're all going to go to the extra channel. Then the extra channel will end and take everybody to the... Oh God, this is hard. This will take everybody to the Funware earnings, and it will link directly to the SoundHound earnings. Will you stop this?
Team Fusion donated €10 through a super chat. There ain't nothing but a SoundHound, rocking all the time.
Is he doing SoundHound or Iggly? What the hell's Iggly got to do with it? Why are you making up words? Is he doing SoundHound or Iggly? What has that got to do with it? Just found out you have to up the one to send a message. Oh, do you? You have to up.
Big Boy donated €2.49 through a super chat. Is he doing sound to Iggy?
Okay, there's going to be L up in a minute. Leah, can you bring me the whiskey? Can you bring me the whiskey in? I'm going to drink whiskey because I can't get through. I can't cope with it. Not free speech. No, there's no free speech here. No free speech. You got to pay. Pay to chat. If you want to talk to me, I'm a very famous person. I've got 30,000 subscribers on YouTube today. If you want to talk to me, it's going to cost you money, right? No messing around. Leah's getting the whiskey out, right? So let's pay attention. So when this video ends, this live stream ends in 6 minutes, we're going to go automatically to the extra channel. From there, I'm going to take you to the Funware and the SoundHound. You can watch both or one or either or upside down. I don't care anymore, right? I just don't care anymore.
166A donated $1.99 through a super chat. Just found it out you have to up the dollar to send message.
Good. That stops people piss-assing around, right? Roaring Kitty wanted to know if SoundHound is here. Roaring Kitty. Oh, I see. You've now got a best mate in Roaring Kitty, have you? All right. Since when did that happen? Rallo 1. Okay. Right. Focus. Now then, I think I'm ready. Funware. Let me go over here. I'm over here now on Funware. Funware's there. All right, there's Funware on the screen. Let me refresh this. Okay, that's still there. Right, that's still there. Okay, we've got 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Right, we've broken through resistance. Yeah, we're making so much money, it's ridiculous. Everyone's going to get rich in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes, you can get rich in 5 minutes now on the S&P. I'm making a new video, right? Don't worry about anything else. Just buy the S&P, get rich in 5 minutes. What kind of whiskey do you drink, Martin? Doesn't matter. As long as it's golden. As long as it's golden and well matured, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It used to matter. Doesn't matter anymore, right? I used to care. But since I built a YouTube channel, I just don't care anymore. I can't afford to care, right? Here we go. This is what's happened now. Look, 30,000. Hey! 50 subscribers in the last hour and a half. That's how you do that. That is how you do that. If anyone wants to know how to build a YouTube channel, that is how you do that. Do loads of earnings at once. People love it. They get confused. I get confused. What's this?
Rallo1 donated $2 through a super chat. Roaring Kitty wanted to know if SoundHound is here.
I don't believe the whiskey is actually coming out. There's no way I can get the whiskey out. I'm not only joking about that. I cannot run 2 earnings. I cannot do all these things at once. And no, I can't do that. Are you covering Soundware or whatever you say it is? What, Mike, what's wrong with you? Why are you doing silly jokes? It's not even funny anymore, right? No more shenanigans. I mean it. Anyone want a peanut? What's that got to do with anything? Subscribers are growing fast. Yes, I wouldn't subscribe. Would you subscribe to this? In fact, you have, haven't you? You have subscribed. I wouldn't subscribe to this. In fact, I have. I've subscribed to this twice. My music channel and my other channel. I've subscribed to it twice. Yeah. Martin, get a cup of tea. That'll get you through the earnings. I haven't got time to move from this chair right now. You can do it better with whiskey. Bloody hell. Yeah, that's it. Right. 3 minutes. In 3 minutes, all hell breaks loose and everything gets a little bit crazy. So, here we go. I'm going from this moment on, I'm going to ignore the comments. Okay. If I don't, I mean, it's all, I know you think it's funny, but if I actually mess this up and you don't get the SoundHound earnings and the Funware earnings, I'm going to lose subscribers. I'm going to lose members. You're going to get pissed off because you can't watch what's going on. No one's going to think it's funny then. No one's going to think it's funny then. So you think on. Think on. I've got to stay in control of this. All right? I've got to stay in control of this. Otherwise, there's going to be hell up. All right? I'm not messing around. I'm professional. This is a professional show. Right? So here we go. Funware. Have we got an earnings yet? No. SoundHound. Have we got an earnings yet? No. I didn't think we would. Right. I'll ban them all. Mike, ban everybody. Ban everybody. I don't even care if they're a gold member. Just ban them anyway. We need to clear out. We got to have a cull. Too many subscribers now. It's chaos. Get rid of some people, Mike. Just ban anyone at random. Pick people. I think that's what we should do. That's what we should do. Now we've got 30,000 subscribers, we should go, let's just ban 10 people a day. Just do it. Just ban 10 people. Every day we pick 10 people just to behead. Boof, you're gone. Why? No reason. No reason. We just like doing it. When is the earnings? Any second now, on the bell. Don't you worry. Stick right with me. You won't miss a thing. You won't miss a thing. That way, no more comments. You have to read. Exactly. A good whiskey is for sipping, Martin. A 21 a Glenlivet, buddy. So I would sip away, buddy, during the live shows. I'm scared. Musa, I would be scared if I was you, Musa, because at any moment now, that's it. Boof, you're gone. They'll ban you. Don't ban me, Mike. Yeah, you can start off by banning James. Ban James. He's only a moderator. He's only one of our top moderators. Go and ban him, right? But SoundHound, long-term hold. Yes, they are doing big things and just getting started. Yes, we're covering SoundHound. We're not going anywhere. Don't worry about it. Life is good. Life is good here in the Crazy Club. Mike won't ban me because I'll put a snake and eggs under his bed. Do it. You put snake eggs. I thought you said snake and eggs. I thought that's a funny mixture. Snake and eggs. Steak and eggs. Right, here we go. Now we get busy. Now we get into it. Are you ready? 2 earnings at the same time. You've never in the history of the world seen anything like it. You'll never see it again. There's no channel on planet Earth this crazy because we're the best. We are the best channel in the world. Are you ready? 2 earnings at once. SoundHound earnings on the main channel. We've broken through resistance again. And we've also got Funware earnings on the extra channel. Are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell has gone. The bell has gone. We are now going to end the show and send everybody now to the extra channel. Everybody, whether you like SoundHound or whether you like Funware, we're all going to meet first of all in the green room. Are you ready? Here is the link. I will put it 3 times. There it is. I'll put it twice. 3 times. Sod it. 3 times. You spin me right, hound, baby, right, hound. Very, very funny. Okay, we're now going to go over. This is the SoundHound Funware earnings. We're going to see that. We're also going to see the SoundHound earnings. So first of all, everybody join me now on the extra channel. In the extra channel, I'm there waiting for you, and I will give you the link which will take you directly to Funware and take you directly to SoundHound. Are you ready to rumble? Okay, let's do it right now. Fantastic. That's the wrong screen straight away. I'm already making mistakes. Don't you worry about it. I got this. And we've just broken through resistance. We are now going up to, look at that, $100,000. $100,000 from $5,000. We broke resistance. My all-time high is 107. We're on the way there once again. I bought the dip and I'm not selling. Meet Kevin said it would go down 60%. Simply not true. But it did get him some subscribers, got him through 2 million, made him some money. I'm not doing it because it's a load of rubbish. Right, here we go. Everybody now join me on the extra channel for the SoundHound and the Funware earnings in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you like that fade? Beautiful fade. Right, join me there right now. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each